Hi guys, my name is Claire Smythe. I am the executive pastry chef at Cherry Circle Room, and welcome to Pilot Light Family Meal. And today, we're gonna be making pancakes. Now, pancakes are one of my favorite things to make with my family. I feel like they're perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and have an unlimited possibility of things that you can either put inside or out. So, let's get started. Today's pancake recipe is gonna be really simple. In fact, it only has 7 ingredients, and they can all be found in your pantry and fridge. I like to use baking powder and whole milk in my pancakes, and I feel like it gives them a really nice crispy, fluffy texture. All right, so we've got our setup here ready to go. In this bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. After that, we are going to add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 1/4 cup whole milk, 3 tablespoons of melted and slightly cooled butter, and 1 whole egg. Now, once your batter is all mixed, completely smooth, no lumps, that's gonna make the pancakes have a nice, really fluffy texture on the inside. I have a well-greased skillet over here. Now, of course, you can use a pan on the stove, or sometimes you can even bake them in muffin cups. But for this, I think that the even heat is really nice for consistency reasons. All right, I've got our griddle here, a little bit of butter down at the bottom, and we are just gonna spoon this pancake batter right onto the surface. And now we wait. You'll notice that these pancakes will start to form little bubbles around the edge. That's how we know it's almost done. It's the baking powder that's being activated. So most times when you buy baking powder, it's double acting. And there we have it, perfectly fluffy pancakes in just minutes. Sure to make everybody super happy. I like to load mine up with syrup. Thank you so much for joining me. You can tag us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs or hashtag PLF Family Meal. And you can feel free to visit the Food Education Center and click on Family Resources for today's recipe, additional activities related to today's recipe, and additional lessons and videos. Thanks, guys.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, hashtag PL Family Meal.